Even though a lot of people are talking about it, it's actually really hard to measure the efficacy of design ops efforts. Why? Well, a lot of reasons. In a lot of organizations where design ops isn't widely understood or embraced, there's not going to be much support or ability to invest resources in measuring its impact, for one. Also, a lot of design ops professionals are teams of one, and a team of one really doesn't have the bandwidth to proactively implement official measurement programs alongside all of the work they're doing, do they? Not really. If you're in this position, I hope this framework I'm about to share helps. It's called REACH, REACH, and you can use it to start establishing some metrics to track and showcase the value of your efforts. Let's start with R. R is for results. Results are just the benefits to end users as a result of all the work that's being done by the design team. Think about usability metrics or user satisfaction scores. As a design ops professional, you might aim to support the design team by impacting design quality. If so, tracking these experience-based metrics can help determine if there are additional or different design ops efforts that would better support the design team. E is for efficiency. That's the ability of the design team to complete their work without bottlenecks or obstacles, under reasonable deadlines and scopes, and within a comfortable workload capacity. A better supported design team should be able to improve efficiency thanks to your efforts, and that's something that can be tracked over time. A is the ability of the design team and its capacity to deliver the work and the value that's expected of it. Design ops efforts can increase ability with efforts related to things like methods documentation, or team onboarding programs, or knowledge management systems like design systems and research repositories. And related metrics about awareness or understanding of various methods and tools could point to a positive impact over time. C is clarity, which means having an agreed upon and well understood purpose for the design team. Does the design team have a clear, shared vision? Are priorities agreed upon among the design team and by leadership? Track agreement, or maybe you could even track the number of growing design leadership roles in the organization as evidence for this alignment. And finally, H is health, just the overall satisfaction of the design team. Are people satisfied with their jobs? Do they find the work fulfilling? Pulse surveys and tracking things like engagement scores and job retention over time are useful metrics here. While you don't necessarily need to collect data for all the categories in the REACH framework, tracking some relevant metrics associated with each area can really help you determine if the design ops tools and initiatives you're creating are having a positive impact over time. And any positive trends you can find are really convincing data for helping others understand and believe in the worth of these design ops programs. So it's a worthwhile endeavor to use this framework as a starting place and build for your context.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nngroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our UX courses that offer live, hands-on UX training.